Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Brian here, Bry Painter. Okay, today we're going to take a closer look at one of the stunning reference images from my book, How to Paint the Best Seascapes and Landscapes, and break down how I'd approach painting it. This is a fantastic way to see how the concepts we discuss in the book come to life on canvas. Okay, we're leading the eye back here. We're covering the canvas. We're just blocking in right now. This area's got to be darker. Got to be good contrast. And we'll have to go back in and refine some of these edges and cracks and stuff, but we'll get there. The edge is not hard enough, not square enough, but for now, for a block-in, it's nice. Especially a block-in, you don't always want the hardest edges at first. You can refine the edges later with a square brush. So we're going to build this look into the back here. We want the eye to be starting to travel back. Okay, give this guy some color back there. All right, and a little out here too. Blend it in there. I always like to kind of dabble color in the sky, and then just lighten it. Just blending the colors together, just dabbing and pulling, dabbing and pulling. Not scrubbing with this one. Dabbing and pulling. Dab, pull, dab, pull. Blend in there a bit now. Starting with browns. Okay. Now we're ready for the trees. So all I'm going to do here, I'm going to kind of sweep, push in, sweep it up, make some tree-ish shapes. Just letting the brush do a bit of the crazy work. Just leaving these ridges of paint. Let them do the work. Look guys, that's it. If you want to learn how to paint more like this, you want some great reference images, you want to skip all the fluff, get right into the fun of doing it, please check out my book, How to Paint the Best Seascapes and Landscapes. Check out this link.